The ProSeries Document Management System is an easy and affordable way to increase your office efficiency and help you move your firm to a more paperless environment. So let's take a look at Document Management System. The implementation time for this program is roughly 10 minutes. You install the program, and the first thing you're going to do is come up to the Import button and import clients from your ProSeries tax program. And that's why we see a list of all of our clients here on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, the folder structure that we create is the same for each client as you bring them into the document management system. In ProSeries Tax, you have the ability to tell the system in an options area that when you print a client copy, you would also like us to create another copy of that return as a PDF and drop it directly in the document management system without you having to do anything at all. And where we save those tax returns is in a directory under TY09 tax returns, and here's a copy of the return that we've sent from ProSeries Tax. Now you may want to take it a step further and start scanning source documents. How would you do that? Simply select source documents and click the scan button. We'll scan them in the order that you put them in the scanner and create a PDF called tax work papers. So that's how I save my returns, that's how I save my work papers. But literally anything electronic can be saved in document management system. Whether it's Excel files, Word documents, QuickBooks files, anything on your computer is fair game. Simply select the directory where you'd like that to be saved, and then go up here to import, and rather than importing clients, you're importing documents. Go find the document you'd like to import, and we'll pull it in here. You see I have a Word doc called Engagement Letter. So literally anything on your computer can be saved into DMS very easily. Another thing we do is when you install DMS, we add a button to the button bar in all of your Microsoft Office applications. So let's say you were using Outlook and a client sent you an email that you'd like to save in DMS. Simply select the email and click the Save to DMS button, and we will send it over to that client's folder inside of Document Manager automatically. Okay? Now, let's say the client wants a copy of their tax return via email. You have Document Management open, simply select the return and click the email button in the button bar. We attach it and you click Create Email and off it goes. Or maybe the client says, you know what, I don't even want a hard copy of my own return. I'd rather have my return on a CD. Simply select it and in the button bar click Burn to CD, and we'll write that PDF file down to the CD drive, and the client walks out with that. Okay. You can also edit, like if I open this tax return or the work papers PDF, you can do annotations, you can highlight certain areas, put stamps on them. You can total editing and annotation capabilities on the PDFs that you create inside of document management. Last but not least is a functionality called Document eSort, which is kind of an adjunct to the document management system. So I mentioned up front that when you scan your documents, we're going to scan them in the order that you put them in the scanner. Well, to save you time and energy and to create a better looking PDF, after you've done your initial import, don't worry so much about putting them in any order. Just scan them in any order and then click on the tax work papers in this case and run it through our Document eSort. And what we're going to do is create a PDF that automatically bookmarks and sorts your PDF of the source docs for this client. And let's take a look at that example of what that might look like. So here is the PDF that we've created through Document eSort. Organized scan docs is page 1, telling you who the client is, the date it was created, and the number of pages. And on the left, your bookmarks, rather than saying page 1 through 50, actually sort them: wages, interest, dividends. Again, we haven't put these in the scanner in any order. We're reordering them for you, and we're using OCR technology to bring in the names of the employers, so you can click very easily and pick up the W-2 that you'd like, or under UBS, page 1, the stock transactions or interest and dividend statements. So it's a much cleaner looking PDF than you would get otherwise, and the benefit is you don't have to have anyone there pre-sorting these documents before you scan them into Document Management System. So that gives you a real good idea of how it works. It's very, very simple, a great value, and for those users who use it, it has really changed their office completely, and we think you'd have a lot of success with it too.